to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare a lovely baby and toddler recipe that is perfect for breakfast or for a quick snack. We're going to prepare together banana pancakes with no flour, with no grains, and with no added sugar. Super easy recipe that can really be prepared, I would say, in 15 minutes max. So it's perfect when you wake up in the morning, you need to prepare breakfast, a healthy, nutritious one to start the morning, and you don't have any idea. So let's start together. We will need a super ripened banana. Yes, the one with that nice brown dots. It's perfect for this recipe. We're going to mash the banana with a fork, and we're going to combine it with the other ingredients. So that is the plain Greek yogurt, the eggs, the cinnamon, and we're going to mix. In a small skillet, we're going to add a teaspoon of coconut oil to grease it, and we're going to turn the heat on at medium-low. Pour 1 tablespoon of mix in the skillet and cook few minutes. Flip on the other side and cook for another minute in order for the little pancakes to be nice and cooked. Serve the small banana pancakes with a drizzle of maple syrup, with some fresh fruit, with another teaspoon of yogurt, or as your little one likes. You can always serve them like that with nothing more. They can be broken in small pieces and offered to little ones starting from 6 months of age, or they can be even rolled and grabbed as finger food from toddlers or older ones. This is a lovely recipe. I would suggest to keep the pancakes size small because it's easier for little one to enjoy, and it's also easier to cook. They don't have any flour inside. It means that they are very delicate. So if you cook small ones, you can flip them easily. They will not break. The bigger, the more difficult to flip. How to store the leftover? You can store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or you can freeze them in the freezer, same airtight container, for up to 3 months. How to thaw them? I usually place 3 or 4 mini pancakes in the microwave for 40 seconds, and then I'm placing them in the toaster for another minute or so, and they are perfect and fluffy. I really hope you're going to enjoy this recipe. Let me know if you want more baby breakfast recipes, or what other recipe you would like me to share with you. Of course, baby and toddler friendly. Remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa, that's important, if you want to receive every single week a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao!